Understanding your Whoop recovery score is crucial to optimizing your daily performance and overall well-being. The Whoop recovery score is a metric that indicates how well your body has recovered from the previous day's activities, providing valuable insights into your physical state. To interpret your Whoop recovery score, start by understanding the scoring system. The recovery score ranges from 0 to 100%, with higher scores indicating better recovery. A score above 80% suggests you are fully recovered and ready for intense physical activity, while a score below 33% indicates you need rest and recovery. The score is based on 4 key physiological metrics: resting heart rate variability, sleep performance, and respiratory rate. Resting heart rate measures how fast your heart beats when you are at rest, while heart rate variability measures the variation in time between heartbeats. Sleep performance assesses the quality and duration of your sleep, and respiratory rate measures your breathing rate. When interpreting your recovery score, consider the context of your previous day's activities and overall health. For example, if you had an intense workout, your recovery score may be lower due to muscle fatigue and increased resting heart rate. On the other hand, if you had a rest day, your recovery score may be higher due to reduced physical stress. To get the most out of your Whoop recovery score, establish a consistent sleep schedule, prioritize rest and recovery days, and adjust your workout intensity based on your recovery score. It is also essential to monitor your score over time to identify trends and patterns, allowing you to make informed decisions about your training and lifestyle. By understanding and interpreting your Whoop recovery score, you can optimize your daily routine, improve your physical performance, and enhance your overall well-being. Remember to stay consistent, listen to your body, and make adjustments as needed to achieve peak performance and recovery.